Hi, this is how you factory reset the JBL 320BT Kids Bluetooth headphones. The easiest way to perform a factory reset is to connect the headphones to the app and then just scroll down to the bottom and select Support. In here, just click on Reset to Factory Settings followed by Reset. The actual reset is basically instant, whereupon the headphones are then left in pairing mode, indicated by the little blinking light on the right ear cup, to then be connected to any device you want. You can also perform a factory reset using just the buttons on the actual headphones. To do this, begin by powering the headphones off if they aren't off already by holding the power button down for a few seconds. Then, when the headphones are powered off, press and hold the volume up button and the power button together for just over 5 seconds and then let go of both buttons. There's no voice message or anything indicating that the headphones have been factory resetted, but here too, just like with the app factory reset, they are left in a pairing mode state to be connected to any new device. Right, that is about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!